Thank you for joining. And today we are going to start Tableau training. So, in the first, you are going to learn about what is Tableau and what it is used for, and how Tableau works, and so on, one by one from the scratch. Okay. So first, what we'll learn from this session or from this training entire Tableau. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand, describe the components and terminologies of Tableau. So what are the important components and what are the terminologies of Tableau? So those things we are going to learn, and describe the desktop application and view and data pages and explain and like that. Explain the fields generated by the Tableau automatically. So that means in this lesson, you are going to learn about the terminology, components, and then how desktop application is going to work on. So how we can view the data and what are the important pages will be there. So this is just overview on what we are going to learn. First, what is Tableau? So Tableau is a data visualization tool. So Tableau is a powerful tool for analyzing the data, but amazing insights are created by using Tableau. So Tableau makes it easy to share the data no matter what your requirements are. So whatever the requirement from the client. So what you are going to create using Tableau means you are going to create insights from the raw data. So here Tableau software is one of the fastest growing data visualization tools which are currently being used in BI industry. It means business intelligence industry. So there are a lot of BI tools are there, business intelligence tools are there, but the most trending visualization tool is Tableau and then ClickView. Those are playing very vital role. It is the best way to change the, or you can say change or transform the raw set of data into an easily understandable format with zero technical skills and coding knowledge. So whatever you are going to create, transform, like whatever the data is available, then you are going to create meaningful insights by using raw data which can be easily understandable by using like you without any technical skills, that means coding knowledge. It is just drag and drop version. So this is the last element of the project. We need to visualize the data. So whatever the data is there, so you have to visualize for the client. The quick interaction is there to the client. So what is Tableau used for here? So data visualization is important because human beings understand the things that are visually well descriptive and interesting. If the data is in a visualization and the people will, human beings will have an attention to look the data, so to understand the data in a short span of time. So working with data visualization tools like Tableau will help anyone to understand the data better, as it gives one access to the amount of data in easily in the digits visuals. That means if you show some figures by using raw data, so then it is easy. It's not only Tableau, okay, you can go for some other intelligence tools also, but the main concern is what is the, like what Tableau or what the visualization tools we have. So what is the mean for, what are the features mean for, okay, so we need to concentrate on those things. So this will help you to understand the data in a graphical representation format. So also well designed graphics are usually the simplest and the most powerful way to present any data. So if somebody asks something, then you can't give the data directly. So you just generate the reports and show them, okay, this is the situation of the business. So this means it's presenting the data through visuals. It's the most important and key role in the company. Okay. So here, Tableau is the software you use to translate the queries into visualization. That means whatever the requirement you have, so that it is translated into a visualizations. It is also used for managing the data or metadata, whatever. So managing the data, we can go for Tableau. Tableau software imports the data of all the sizes and ranges. Whatever the data, whether it will be Excel or database or whatever, like PDF, and it bring the data into visual format. So that's the beauty of Tableau here. For non-technical user, Tableau is a lifesaver as it's offer the facility to create no-code data queries. So the people who are not technically strong, then the people can opt for as an opportunity to work in information technology industry. Then Tableau is the best source to work on Tableau with 0% technical knowledge. Even since it was introduced, the data visualization tool is used for business intelligence industry. The organizations like Amazon, Walmart, Accenture, and Lenovo, there are many companies widely use this Tableau. These are the companies Tableau using, so like Citibank, Cisco, Google, Deloitte, and then many Pepsi and Bank of America and industry like Skype. They are Adobe also the best company. So it's just I have given a few examples. So there were 50,000 customers are using Tableau. So it's simple. It's a drag and drop tool, but it's not simple. But the visualization from our mind is very important to work on this. So let's coming to the important point here. Why Tableau? So Tableau is greatly used because the data can be analyzed very quickly with it. That means using Tableau, we can able to analyze the data very quickly. Also, visualizations are generated as a dashboards and worksheets. So I'll let you know the further classes, what are the dashboards and worksheets we have in Tableau. But the important point here, we can visualize. So through visualizations, we can generate the dashboards and then worksheets. So Tableau allows one to create dashboards that provide actionable insights that drive the business forward. So this simple Tableau visualization tool will create a sensations in the information technology for the decision maker in the business. So if you want to take the decisions immediately with the rapt attention, so then Tableau is the best source because it will create actionable insights. It bring the data, then simply giving a report to the client or some business persons. It's not like that. So if you like those things will be done by Excel, right? So we can create graphs, macros, and those things. But the main important thing, the Tableau will create actionable insights by using the raw data. It will drive the business forward. So if you want to make the business decisions very quickly, then Tableau is the best source to represent the data. So Tableau products always operates in visualized environment when they are configured with the proper underlying operating system and hardware. So this Tableau will require the perfect operating system and hardware. Then this Tableau will have different features. Okay, Tableau desktop, Tableau online, Tableau server. So I will let you know the components. This will help you when the proper operating system and the hardware settle configurations. Then only this Tableau will work. Tableau is used to explore the data with limitless visual analytics. So the main and fundamental key point in Tableau is using Tableau we can explore the data by using raw data with limitless visual analytics. That means it we don't have any limits or restricts to visual effects or visual analytics. So there will be a lot of opportunities are there to show some visual effects or analytics by using Tableau. So it's not restricted. That's why it is the beauty of this one. Tableau is not any complex programming software needed immense language programming idea and skills. Instead, it needs immense interest and purpose to manage the data in a proper way. So to work on Tableau, you don't need any programming skills, or you don't need any big software, or you don't need any depth in any programming technical skills, whatever. But instead of that, you need very key attention or immense interest and purpose to manage the data in a proper way. So only one thing, you need to understand the data and how to manage the data is very important in Tableau. So you will not learn, there is no such a training for to understand the managing the data. So only one thing you need to understand the data. That's all you, that to how to generate the visuals is based on our mind. Okay, so that's why it's a zero technical knowledge. You will be, your future is secure through using Tableau. So let's understand this. So just meet Genelia as a data scientist. She wants to analyze the US employment by state as part of her new project. So she got a project that US employment state by state analyzing is, as a data scientist, her responsibility. What are the possible challenges that she might face when this is frequently happen? When you join, you may work in Python, you may work in R, you may work in Tableau. So you will not be working in all the phases. Okay, that we cannot select. So the based on the skills and based on the project and based on the your cost cutting in the project. So they will pull you into different technology, but as a data scientist. So what are the possible challenges that she might face here? The first thing, to handle the huge amount of data, maybe so now it's becoming a big data. Okay, previously it was the Teradata and then a lot of text data, those files. But frankly, we can speak big data. Then second thing, to visualize the data. So first she has to handle huge amount of data. Then based on that, she has to represent the visuals by using the raw data, right? So analyzing the big data and visualization of data, then generate reports in the correct format. What client is required, what client is asking from the raw data, you have to generate, not your own. Okay, so three things: handling the big data and visualization, and then creating visualization whatever, and generating the correct format. So she has to face three phases here. Now let's see. So generally a colleague suggested her to use Tableau. Someone suggested in her project, or like based on the project or manager, whatever team leader client suggested Tableau. So through Tableau, what generally is going to do that. Tableau is a leading a business intelligence, analytics, and visualization application tool. As we discussed, business intelligence, analytics, and visualization application tool here. So it helps to analyze the data to learn and make better decisions. It generates quick and correct reports and visualizations which can be customized according to our needs. So through Tableau, we can generate quick and correct reports. See here, Tableau visualization US employment by North California, New Jersey. Okay, so South Carolina, okay, Mississippi and Florida, those things. So by using the graph will be generated. So we'll look into that, those things. Okay. So Tableau will help you to generate the data, like generate quick and correct reports on data visualization. So let's see important features for why Tableau. So very important here. So why Tableau is this basic introduction about today. Okay. So let's see here first. As we discussed, it's a data visualization. Okay. So the Tableau is the data visualization tool first and prime. Therefore, its technology is there to support complex computing, data finding, and data boarding for the purpose of creating beautiful visualizations that deliver insights that cannot easily be derived from the starting at the spreadsheet. That means the data visualization, whatever the data you are getting, so to create a beautiful insights which deliver to create sorry to create beautiful visualizations that deliver insights for the client, we can go for Tableau. Second thing, quickly create interactive visuals. So Tableau has extensive feature here. Using drag and drop functions of Tableau, user can create very interactive visuals within a minutes. So that's the beauty of Tableau here. The interface can handle endless differences while also limiting you from creating charts that are against the data visualization best practice. That means whatever that you are going to create, so some sudden you are just work you have sorry you are in a meeting with the client, so if you want to generate the beautiful reports within the fraction of minutes, then Tableau will work with Tableau will create quickly, creating interactive visuals. So that's why we are going to select Tableau here, and then explore user experience. So using Tableau, we can explore user experience. There are any different types of visualization options are available in Tableau, which can explore the user experience. There are many components we have for the user experience. Okay. So also Tableau is very easy to learn. Anyone without having any knowledge of coding can easily learn Tableau. So that's why user can we can have flexibility to work on Tableau. And then so these are the basic points. Okay. So Tableau can manage large amount of data. So if you go for Excel or some other thing, it will take some up to some extent. But using Tableau, you can have large amount of data. We can handle large amount of data. Okay. So Tableau can manage millions of rows of data with easy and flexible. Different types of visualizations can be created by the large amount of data without having any performance of the dashboards. So any like you can say any performance issues, without any performance issues, Tableau can handle large amount of data using dashboards. Also, there is an option in Tableau where user can make live two connections to different data sources like SQL. So we have very flexibility using SQL also. We can bring the data from the required format and then visualize the data. So then two live connections are there. One is from directly from files and second one is by using query. By using query, first we can bring the data, then visualize the data. So there is a flexibility for this. So that's why Tableau can handle or Tableau can manage large amount of data without any performance issues. Okay. So then we can use used in scripting language. To avoid the performance issues and to do the complex table calculations in Tableau. So to avoid performance issues, and then the, like you can say, table calculations, complex table calculations by using, if you are doing in database level, you are doing joining, right, inner join, outer join, those things. So if you have large amount of data, so to do the complex table calculations in Tableau, users can include Python or R language, any programming or scripting language to work on as our flexibility. And using Python script can take the load of the software by performing tasks in packages. So by using some required packages, we can work on Tableau using Python. So that's flexibility also is there for Tableau. That's why by using data visualization, quickly create interactive visuals, explore the user experience, and Tableau can manage large amount of data and create a beautiful insights from the raw data and use it in scripting language. So we can opt for Tableau for our project. Okay, so let's see. So that these are the reasons. These are the reasons one why we are going for selecting the Tableau for our project. Now, so let's see here. Do we require any technical skills to learn Tableau? No, not required any programming language, but we need one important thing, that fundamental idea of managing data. I think if you have worked on Excel or something which is you have worked for any tool for visualization, so that will help you to work on Tableau. But strictly the programming language depth knowledge is not required for only Tableau. For pursuing the Tableau course, one need not to be too much sounds enough about the software and programming skills. A basic knowledge of data is enough to have fundamental idea of managing the data and implementing in practical ways. Having a that what you are looking for, okay, what the prerequisites to one. Having a preliminary idea about making use of Excels or the worksheets can help understanding the whole schema of Tableau. If you know Excel well, then the Tableau is similar to that. So that's why there is some important advanced Excel also, because we should not neglect Excel as well. We can create beautiful insights and we can create beautiful calculations and manipulations of data using Excel. Once you know Excel, then only you can work for Tableau. Without Excel, if you start for Tableau, there are some phases where you can waste your time. Okay, I'll let you know those things. We have 3 to 4 classes on particularly on advanced Excel, because when you start your project, first you start with Excel only. Okay, because if you go for any project, first they will ask in interview, do you know Excel? Because it's a basic silly question as well, but there are a lot of things to, like VLOOKUPs, okay, there are macros and creating the graphs, those things. Then they will ask one important question, what is the difference between Excel and Tableau? So you definitely will get this question. So I'll let you know those things, okay. So but here only for Tableau, the people who want to work without any programming language, you can opt for Tableau, okay. So here, who are eligible to learn Tableau? So when you come into the point, who are eligible to learn the Tableau? So experts from the data visual analytics background, who are from visual data analytics, and professionals from testing field. See, we can learn. See, anybody can learn Tableau, but the main important in the project areas, who are looking or who are strictly eligible for to learn Tableau for the project purpose. So experts from the data visual analytics background, who are experts in the background of data analytics, professionals from testing field, like you can say manual testing or whatever, just for whatever the testing field. Okay, so business intelligence professionals, BI persons, and the data scientists and project managers. Project managers also require Tableau to show data immediately to the client when the discussions are happening. So very important thing. And then how to utilize the data of Tableau. So what is the important strategy for utilization of Tableau here? The first thing you need to understand here. So what you are going to do with the database, right? So sorry, using Tableau. So cross database joins. Whether your data resides in Excel or Oracle, whatever the database, you can comfortably join them in a Tableau software and generate an integrated data source in it. So we have a flexibility to connect with database and Excel, whatever, but you can create using joins, database joins, and create, you can say integrate the data and generate the beautiful insights. So we have option for cross database joins. In addition, you could also create a Tableau extract of this data source for publishing it. So we can extract the data from the database and we can publish it. So we can that flexibility we have for cross database joins. And then Tableau for Android. So Tableau for Android is finally got to the point. Now you can access all the features of your favorite software tool with a simple click of your finger. So by using Tableau, if the project if the requirement is there for Tableau for analytics in Android, then there is an option we have. Just for one click we can get the data. It comes loaded with everything you need to handle your data on the go. So everything will be loaded at one shot into the Tableau instance, and then that's everything you need to handle your data while going on the go. That means that's up to you how you can handle the data. It will not take time to load the data into instance. It's a fraction of seconds to load the data into instance. Once you get the instance into Tableau, then that you are going to do the you are going to handle the data. So get the set of revolutionary experience from now on, as everything you require is going to be on your fingertips. Quite literally, whatever you are doing, that is going on your fingertips only. So that's why. So when you play with the data, you can create one revolutionary experience by using the data. As of now, when you start project, create the experience to the client or whatever the managers with your fingertips in a beautiful format. Okay, so then the device, and then we have important thing, device designers. So that means the designer is one of the most promising feature of Tableau. It is an important feature in Tableau. Device designers, Tableau software makers have made making and sharing the dashboards pretty easy. That means when you create dashboards, you can directly interact with another company. For example, you are working in company A, and then you have to show the data immediately. Whatever the data from a company, you can using device designers, and by using dashboards you can have flexibility. Within the fraction of seconds you can show the data of A to the B company. So that's flexibility we have through device designers. From now on you can design, customize and publish such dashboards that are already optimized for accessing on phones as well as the tablets. The very important features we have this Tableau. One of the successful phenomenon for the Tableau is whatever you are creating the dashboards to represent the data to the another company or project. In the project you are going to show the data what you are working on, how the output format you want to show the dashboards to the other company or client company. So whatever you are created such a dashboards, you can able to access through phones and tablets also to customize and design, customize and publish dashboards. So when you are in home, you can take phones and Tableau, or you can say tablets. You can create a dashboards and you can design and customize and publish the dashboards. So that flexibility we have, that is the important features we have device designers. And the one here, one is one of the important feature here, revision histories. Want to switch back to an earlier version of workbook. So in Tableau, we can start with workbooks only. I'll let you know that. Well, you can do it now with a considerable easy, as this can be done with a single click in Tableau 10. So we are using Tableau 10 version current situation. And then revision history means now you are working different project as a Tableau. You are going to access different project, like in the company you can have different departments also. So for everything you need to create dashboards. If they ask, can you show previous dashboards which you have created? Yes, there is a flexibility we have with an option. Okay, so we can able to get the old dashboards to represent the data. The older versions can be restored by simply downloading them and republishing. You are also allowed to set the number of revisions that can be made. That means there are two options here: simply downloading old version and republishing. That's a flexibility we have, which whenever you want to present old dashboards. So we have flexibility to work on present and past dashboards as well. And then these are the just key elements before starting. Okay, so licensing views. You can get peek into a licensing and desktop usage of Tableau software thanks to the newly designed administrative views. So that means we have, if you want to get license version, it's a paid one. We need to pay and we need to get the license to work on Tableau software. But there will be a trial version for 14 days of training. So it will be very flexible to understand. So that's why the administrative part will be is there for 14 days of trial version. And we have different type of Tableau public desktop is also there. So I will let you know what are the components we have: Tableau desktop and Tableau online and Tableau server. Those things will be there, so we'll see that what are the components will be. But the important thing is, for any project we need to get the license by paying some amount. That is a paid version for the Tableau. It's costly also, but it's very flexible. So after the necessary configurations has been performed, the software sends usage information to the Tableau software even if you are not logged in. Whatever you are working on the information, when the configurations are cleared for the Tableau software, then user usage of whatever the usage you are going to do that in Tableau, it will go for Tableau software even if you are logged in or not logged in. So that is the under control of Tableau corporation. Okay, they will responsible if something is going to miss the data. That's why before buying this Tableau software, they will have a MOU, memorandum of understanding, between the company and the Tableau corporation. So whenever they are buying the license version. Okay, so then subscribe others as well. So that means now sharing becomes incredibly easy with Tableau 10. Now you take any tool like Excel or whatever, when you are working in the company. Now if you want to show something to the other company, which is client company, then you want to represent the data, then without Tableau, you need to get the approvals from the manager and then from the role, you can say role owner, those things. Once get the approval, then only you can access the data. But if these things are not performed immediately in the company, so that's why Tableau now it will be very flexible to share the data incredibly. Other users can use subscribe to a particular dashboard pretty easily. Somebody need these Tableau dashboards immediately, then no need of any approval. One click with the permission of the live manager permission, then one click you can able to access the dashboard to the other person as well. The user who gets subscribed will get an update via mail once you do that. But one thing, once you subscribe some person, then immediately the concerned person will get a mail that your dashboard is accessed some person, that the analytics, some analytics like person and IP address and those things will be there. So that will be done in the server level. Okay, in the project we used to do that. It is just fraction of minutes to understand the subscription. Okay, then so mobile device management. So here I want to complete one thing here. So if you are very flexible and straight to the point, and there are opportunities to work from home as well. You no need to go to the company for a daily basis. Once you are familiar and will, if you prove that you are confident on the requirement and given by the client, the tools which you have, you are going to learn. If you are confident and the people will be like managers, then definitely you can access, because you are the person, the responsible one segment in the project. If you take 5 parts of project, like analyzing, like one you are getting the requirement, someone is writing the coding, and second one and third one is just manipulating the data, and you are creating the data visuals, whatever that, you are one part of segment in the project which play a key role. So if you miss, then business will affect. Okay, but they will satisfy what the requirement your package as well. But the important thing, you are the key projector of one particular segment in the project, whether it will be a Python, whether it will be R language, whether it will be a Excel, whether it will be a Tableau or whatever machine learning, whatever you will be a part of. So you cannot decide. That's why as a data scientist is not flexible for one particular course. Okay, so when the requirement comes, you have to take it. They will not decide based on your talent, and sometimes they will just pick you up that particular requirement. Then you have to learn and you have to get into that. You have to work for that. So before that, you just make the habit of learning all the things and integrate with that and just ready for the project. Okay, so there's another exciting feature that has been added to the Tableau, which is what mentoring mobile device management. Supports for mobile learn and VMware, something which is added to the tool, which makes very easy deployment across the organizations. So if you want to deploy means after creating the dashboards, after quality assurance, after testing from the testing department, and then once the approval from the client or approval from the manager and then team lead, then you are going to deploy your code. That means you are going to do in a production. So we can able to deploy into production by using mobile as well. That's the best feature. We have mobile device management. Next, we have one important feature, that is, these are very familiar. Okay, just for understanding, and so without this, if you are going, it's like learning Excel. Okay, web authoring. Considerable improvements have been done in Tableau software, which includes web authoring. That means, what are the improvements you want? You can go for with us web-based applications as well. This feature essentially makes it is possible to do lot on the web such as publishing data sources and other author dashboards right there in the browser of your choice. So you can create your own dashboards for the project and then you can publish through websites, because that is called Tableau Online. There is one feature we have, that is Tableau Online. Through Tableau Online we can do web hosted dashboards and we can publish as author of the dashboard created by you. Okay, so that flexibility we have by using web authoring also. In this way your productivity gets enhanced in a big way. So somebody, if you required through online, you can flexible to give these dashboards access to whatever the organizations required. When your dashboards are pretty much beautiful and very meaningful, then companies will ask that dashboard access by paying some amount as well. So in this way you can able your productivity or production gets enhanced in a big way. So we have lot of things to do. So these are the flexible points where you need to understand important thing before working in Tableau. Okay, so this is the important thing you need to understand. So here, one second. So now you can so Tableau is a open source and free version, which for the practice purpose and for project purpose or whatever you need to get the license. Make sure one thing, once you install Tableau, it is accessible for only 14 days trailer, because after when you want to try to install this Tableau trailer version also will not be useful in your system, because it will connect with your IP address and machine. So that's why once you install, then it is flexible for 14 days. You have to learn everything in 14 days only. Otherwise you need to buy your own software, but it's a huge cost. Okay, so then, and there is one more, we have Tableau desktop public also, that will explain, which is very flexible. It's not trailer version but limited features, but we can able to learn Tableau. So there are two things. One is trial version for 14 days and Tableau public also, which is for flexible. So these things will be applicable. Okay. So I will send you the link. You can install Tableau desktop also and Tableau trailer version also. Both you need to install if you want. Okay. So for example, see here Tableau public. This is the 2019, the latest version, and Tableau trailer version. This is okay. So I'll show you how we can work on this. But how we can install Tableau, just simple. I will give you the document also. So how you can do that means, you just go. So you can go to this link. Okay, I'll share you the link also. Just for example, I'm just explaining. Okay. So you will, this is the, I have given with a beautiful document also, don't worry. So you can give your mail address whatever. Okay, so then you can download this. So immediately it will, your download should begin automatically. So these things, okay, and just I'm just pausing this because I have already installed. Once you install, then what you need to do is, you need to find, you will get one important thing here. Okay, then what is this, just one second. So users and then public, one second. So program file something is there after installing. Okay, that executable file is there. So Tableau is there. So you can, I have two because I have installed two. You can try. Okay, there are a lot of documents and it's a simple drag and drop clicks also. Okay, don't need to worry. So then what you need to do, Tableau public, you can go for bin and then there will be one Tableau is there. So where it is, just like see here. So this is the MS-DOS application, the Tableau. So the format is like this, which is 495 KB. Okay, you can just click on that. Once you click on, then you will get one more important file. Okay, important blog. Okay, there what you need to do is you just give your information like mail ID. Okay, you need to sign in. Okay, you need to sign in. Then after signing in only, that means it will ask your mail ID. Okay, your name, first name and password, that's it. Once you give it, once you enter in those things, then there will be a create my profile. If you click on that, then it will created. So just three to 4 minutes of time to work on this one. Okay, I'll send you the document as well. Using the document you can install directly, and for trailer version you can see the Google to work on it. Okay, so after downloading, then if you have any issues while downloading, you can ping to me, I can help you in that. Okay, so this is the just basic introduction about Tableau, how we want to go for Tableau and what is the benefit for this. But mostly the companies are using, okay, not only this, 50,000 customers live, they are working on Tableau. But there are some tools, ClickView and BI tools are there, some MSBI tools are there, and some data stage, there are some other tools are there. Okay, but anyway, but Tableau is the important because very flexible to work on. But as we discussed some important points how the Tableau is working, so that's why we need to work on Tableau, because without this knowledge, I'm sure you are not going to create meaningful insights. And thing is, how much you have worked in backend and how much you analyze the data by using raw data, it doesn't matter. How much how many dashboards are created, how many beautiful dashboards are created, and when you see the person who is working in Tableau is directly interacting with the client. So if you are a programmer like Python or language or big data, whatever, but the interaction directly only Tableau developer can interact with the client, and he will have interaction with the project managers, and he will have interact with the managers and then team leads and directly with the clients. So then if you create beautiful diagrams, each and every time they will discuss with you to create like this, create like this. So in this point of situation, the relationship become more stronger between the person who is working Tableau and who is working with the like with the client. So then the people who are client doesn't know who are in the project. Okay, because they rarely they will connect with the people, but you are always front face to the client. So your work is very important to decide whether the project is going in a correct manner or not. So escalations will happen with you also, but the same reputation will come from the client. All the whatever does we can say, all the thanks mails will come to through Tableau developer, then only for the programmer. So just you are by taking the raw data from the people and by writing some code from the people, but you are just creating drag and drop with a beautiful diagrams and beautiful charts and beautiful reports and beautiful dashboards, and then just simply you are enjoying with the by using colorful diagrams. So they simply you are just making attraction from the client side. This is the important segment where the Tableau person will have the flexibility to increase the positions within the short span of time in the project. So if you are doing well, then there is a chance to become a team lead and manager and project manager in the fraction of seconds, and less chances are for the developers like program developers and those things. But Tableau developers, there are chances to become very easy to become a project managers. That's have the experience we have received. So Then once you are a project manager, then you can work from home and you can, that's up to you. That depends upon the project. Okay, so don't think it is a negligible way. The Tableau is visualization. It's a lot of things to do that through Tableau, but I have given just less information today. Okay, so how can think Citibank, Google, Deloitte, and Bank of America, and Coca-Cola, and then Pepsi. These are the big companies. Or World Bank also using this. Okay, so think this one, how this RD is a very, see, right? So these companies are using means, see, think the future of Tableau also. Okay, so never think that Tableau feature is going down. It's having a lot of features to update and becoming dynamic in the future. Okay, that's why as a data scientist, one data visualization tool is mandatory. Okay, and advanced Excel is also mandatory. These things. That's why we are going to Stanford University. It's a very good companies it's using. Okay, so that's why. So this is the introduction about today about Tableau. Okay, so from tomorrow we can start step by step and very quick way. Okay, so any issues you just ping me in there. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. We'll meet you tomorrow.